Hi guys! So today I'm going to be unboxing the House of the Dragon Meleys. This is one more of the McFarlane dragons that they have done for House of the Dragon. We actually already have Caraxes and Cyrax, so Meleys will be added to the collection. Oh, Meleys! Anyways, here's the packaging. It's actually very pretty. So, and it even has like a whole little description of the dragon and Rainies. First thing is I'm cutting the little tape pieces up on the top. Let's see here. So I have been collecting McFarlane dragons since I was like 11 or 12 or something. This is very nostalgic opening these packages. It has like a particular plastic smell, and that just gives me such nostalgia. Also, I just flung this to the side, but there's a little card here. More info. And then next I have to undo all of these. And here we have freed one wing, 2 wings, and here she is. Take her out of this extra packaging. That was the packaging she was in. And right now she looks so naked without her wings. The Red Queen. Let's see. Okay, this is actually like a challenge. Oh, that's a snap. My mother taught me to never force. So I try to be very like gentle with things, but this seems like I need to actually force a little bit in order to get this to work. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Okay, I'm gonna move on to the other one. See if that one's gonna be easier. So it doesn't help that she's so incredibly spiky. This is a very pointy dragon. Mother taught me never force, but I've gotta force this one into the hole. This is way more difficult than the other 2 dragons. Come on. Okay, so I've mostly got the wings on. As you might be able to see though, there are still some little crevices there that I was not able to close. So this is very spiky, and if I push on it, it's problematic, and so I'm probably gonna get some sort of like a piece of foam or something so I can push on it more. But here she is for now, so that's a little annoying, but not too bad. And then you just stick her feet in here like so, and look at that. And her tail has a wire in it. It's bendable. And it's more of a rubbery sort of material, whereas the rest of her is like a pretty hard plastic. And there you go. It's Meleys. Look how beautiful she. I actually really like this pose for her. I feel like I should go get one of the other dragons so you can see her in comparison. They did not do them to scale. All right, so here is Meleys next to Caraxes. So you can kind of see their scale here. They kind of gave them about the same scale. These are not to scale. Here's Cyrax next to Meleys. And as we all know, Meleys is way bigger than Cyrax. but they did, I think, do the dragons like as big as they could for the scale they're going for. So like whatever the max dragon size is, they're just inflating each one to that size to be able to like fit in that sort of space. So you can kind of see some of the similarities, some of the differences between these 2 figures and the 2 sculpts. They're really pretty though. I love them. I think the bases are really cool. Some people have like mixed feelings about these sort of names on the front. I think they're all right. They're kind of cool. They're not bad. I don't love them. I think I would prefer having the bases just be like a cool rock thing, but I'm fine with the name being there in case someone forgets the names of their dragon. How could they? One more dragon. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I think this is a really cool figure. If you're a fan of Rainey's and Meleys, the Red Queen and the Queen Who Never Was, definitely pick this one up. I really enjoyed the episode that they were featured in last season. Yeah, if you know, you know. So thanks for joining me, and join me again next time on another review and unboxing. Oh, fuck.